This is our bungalow right here.
This is where we're staying. Oh my god. Hello. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. This is where we're staying.
อันนี้อะไรคะ
It's so pretty.
Okay, I just want to give you a room tour. There is a safe here and we got a queen size bed. And then here we have a mini fridge, AC, TV, a fan. And then we come here and this is our view. Oh my goodness, it's stunning. Look at it. Here, and we have two chairs here and then stairs, and we can go swim and kayak. I love that we have a little hammock as well. Cute. Okay, let me show you the bathroom. Has a sink. Oh, I mean, we are staying at the Greenery Panavi. We are staying for 3 days and 2 nights. So we booked a family room with the lake view, which is absolutely stunning. This is definitely something that I've always wanted to do. You know what? The funny thing is, turns out after we did our booking, there was a message sent to us about all of the program that was included. I thought that we have to kind of organize everything, but the hotel actually organized everything for you. What a great surprise, you know? At 5 o'clock, they're gonna take us on the boat, and they said if we are lucky, which is like 20% chance, we might see wild elephants like coming to swim. I'm just praying that we are that lucky to get to see them. And then I think we're gonna come back and have like a sunset dinner. There is actually a fee as well to go to National Park. Overall, it's gonna cost about 1,000, I think, overall for 2 days. So there is a couple of rules. So basically everything runs through the generator, so we don't have AC until 5 p.m. Every time we go for a swim, we need to wear a life jacket, and if we don't, then there's gonna be fine of 5,000 baht. I'm not gonna lie, I feel kind of a bit dizzy. Hopefully I'm gonna get used to it, but you know, it's kind of like floating and I can really feel it too. We have the first floor, and then there's also a second floor. There is like another 2 single beds up there, if I remember correctly. It's our lunch view. Wow. ขอบคุณค่ะ So they gave us like the set menu. We had masaman chicken, chicken soup, stir-fried kale with garlic, and then stir-fried glass noodles with egg, and then rice, which is really good and decent. They also give us a dessert. It's kind of like sticky rice with coconut, I think. I've never had it before, so let's try. It's really good. Alright guys, we are gonna go back to the room and then swim. Food was really yummy. I mean, it's pretty much standard, and I think it's really nice of them to ask if I want something spicy tonight. So they are gonna prepare something for me for this evening, so looking forward to that. It's almost 5 o'clock. We are going on a boat tour. Let's pray. We're gonna see some elephants. Oh my god, earlier we just had this banging noise under our bungalow, and I was like, oh my god, we're not gonna sleep tonight. But thankfully they fixed it, because I'm a very light sleeper. So this is the boat we're going on the tour today.
Oh my goodness.
They like to swim between 5 to 7 p.m. just before they go to sleep. Oh my god, there's so many of them. So apparently they have 4 babies, but all I can see there is 3. Oh my god, it's so adorable. Oh my god, they're going back. Oh, the baby is so cute. I'm like literally at the edge of the boat. Never experienced anything like that before. I think it really made me want to go to like a safari where you have to like wait, you know, for the animals to come out. You have to be super silent. First thing we heard was an elephant noise. It was so loud. It was just so cool. Maybe we waited about 15 minutes, and then I think at that point I was like, I don't think they are gonna come. Then we turn around to go to the other side, and all of a sudden we saw 1 elephant came out, and then suddenly there was like another 5 elephants came down. It was just so incredible. I think we all are pretty lucky. Like, we didn't expect to see. Even our guide, he was like, we cannot guarantee anything, but wow, what an incredible experience. And this landscape is nothing like other. Like, Thailand is absolutely so beautiful. I really highly recommend you to come to Khao Sok National Park. Now we are back at the hotel. We are gonna have some dinner now. It's been really good. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. So day 1 is pretty much over. And then good thing is that when we go back, we have electric now. Back to our hotel. Guys, look at the water. It's just so green. So this is our bungalow right here. We're actually at the end. I think these are the new bungalows, and over there is like the older ones. So we're literally right at the corner here. And then we're gonna have dinner on the top this way. We can sit here. Guys, this is our dinner view. Can't get any better than this. This is stunning. I keep saying the word beautiful, stunning, but it really is. Wow. That's a really good coconut. You're gonna love it. แกงส้ม อ๋อ ขอบคุณค่ะ My spicy soup. ต้มข่าไก่
ไปเลี้ยงผัดไข่จะเป็นไก่ผัดเผ็ดนะครับแรดในเคิร์นเลย
Wow. That looks amazing. ขอบคุณค่ะ Quiet here, isn't it? Hi guys, so we are back. I actually really love this bungalow. It's small, but it's very, very cozy. You don't need much. In the beginning, I was getting a little bit dizzy. After like an hour or 2, you just start to get used to it. In the evening, it's a lot nicer, obviously, because the lake is a lot more calmer because there's no boats going around. I really appreciate electricity because when we came back, obviously we can turn on the AC and we can charge our phone. We couldn't charge our phone until like it's 5 p.m. And if you want to charge anything, just have to bring it to the reception. Obviously, I understand because they work through generator, so they need to save power for the evening. I don't even know why they have a TV here. Like, who watches TV when you're on the most beautiful landscape? So I was just outside, and what is so crazy is that there's no mosquito. And 2, you can see the stars. There's fish in the lakes, and it's jumping. You can hear the birds in the forest. I'm actually surprised most of my friends haven't heard of Khao Sok before. But the highlight of today is definitely the elephants. Oh my god, we got so lucky. There we saw 6 or 7 elephants, and then we saw the baby ones. Oh my god. I have to wake up super early tomorrow because the boat is leaving at 6:30 for the sunrise. But tomorrow we have a lot going on. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow.